Hello creators, in this video I'm going to show you how to publish 24 digital products to Etsy in less than 6 minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm over here on the MyDesigns dashboard page. I need to move over to the listings page and I'm inside an empty collection. So now I need to upload my files. I click the upload button. I can either drag and drop or just select them here. So I'm going to upload all these SVG files and then we'll go from there. Alright, so all 24 of these SVG files have been uploaded. As you can see here, they're all here. I could select all, and it's all 24 out of 24. Now the title and description, you can see there's already data in these fields, and that's because I added it at the template level, which is really powerful with MyDesigns, and I have active variables. I'm not going to get into that in this video because we're trying to publish these quickly, but there are a lot of training videos available. So anyway, I have all 24 of these listings selected, so I'm going to go to More Actions, Edit in Bulk. I'm going to actually select the primary keyword field, and I'm going to add a active variable. I'm going to add the file name. I'm going to insert the file name for all 24 of these into that primary keyword field. And now as you can see here, that is done across all the listings, and it's populating here, which is one of those active variables. Now I need to get rid of that MD underscore, so I'm going to do More Actions again. We're going to select that primary keyword field. I'm going to go find and delete and type that in, MD underscore. And you get a preview here, it's gone, so let's update that. Now that's gone on all 24 listings, which looks a lot better. Now the next thing I need to do is add the niche here. I'm just going to call it quotes to keep this simple. Let's go to niches. I'm going to do that for all 24 of these. Just type in quotes, and again, you get the preview here. So I'm going to update all 24 listings with that quotes niche in there. And now you can see my title. Looks like it's populated. My description's populated with those two active variables. So my title and descriptions are ready to go. Next, I need to add the tags, and I already have some of those saved to make this video a little quicker. So I'm going to do Edit in Bulk again. This time I'm going to select the tags field. I'm going to add to front and just copy paste these tags into here. And I'm going to update that. Normally I'd go through and put in keyword specific tags for each listing, but I'm trying to make this quick. So now that we have our data ready, the next step is to generate mockups. So let's go ahead and do just that. Alright, so I have all 24 of these SVG files selected. I'm going to go to More Actions to Mockups, and I'm going to change the category to Digital. And I'm going to go down and just select one of these mockups. I think this one looks really good. And in the secondary keyword field, I actually want to put the file types, which is stored already with my listing. Again, that's coming from the template. And then I want to place these newly generated mockups in mockup number 1. We can quickly generate a preview of one of them to see what it looks like. Just make sure it looks good before we queue up this process in bulk. Alright, and I think that looks great. You got the file types that we're going to sell right here. We got the actual file itself, a good preview on a good background. So I'm going to create mockups. And while that one is queued up, you can see it queued up here. I'm going to go back and generate another mockup. And this time I'm going to use a sticker. We'll go with this one. I'm going to place that in the mockup 2 and just click Create Mockup. So now I got both of those queued up. And when they're complete, I will show you what they look like. Okay, these mockups are done, so I'm going to give you a preview. I'm going to switch to a grid view. I'm going to change the file slots in bulk to mockup 1. As you can see, everything here looks quite good. I think that one's ready to go. And we'll check out the other mockup we made. I also think that one looks great. So I'm going to publish these with 2 mockups. You can technically do more, but we're going to go with just 2. So everything is literally ready to go. So I have everything selected. I'm going to go to Publish. I'm going to go Digital. I'm going to say Convert Files to various file types and sell, which is a really, really powerful feature. So if you have an SVG file as your base file that you're selling, you can convert it to all of these popular file types, which is what your customer will receive when they purchase this. So I'm going to go Next Step. I'm going to keep all of them selected. And for the categories, I'm going to leave the default categories here. Drawing and illustrations. Next step, I'm going to do mockup 1, mockup 2. These are the 2 mockups I want to use. You can see a little preview. I'm also going to, you can even add a watermark if you would like. I'm not going to in this case, but that's where you would do it. The next step, you would map your fields. You can see I already got everything pre-mapped. It's ready to go. And then the last step is to select your shop. And then you can preview your listings. So I'm going to click Publish. And now what's happening in the background is it's going to queue up all 24 of those listings and convert that SVG file to all the different file types that we selected. It'll create a zip file in the cloud and store it next to these listings inside MyDesigns. and it'll send a README file out to Etsy with all this data in the mockups per listing, with a unique link to download the zip file that contains all of the converted file types along with the original SVG file. So while that's queued up, that's what it's doing, and I will show you the final results on Etsy as soon as that's done. Alright, so these products are now published to Etsy, all 24 of them, as you can see right here at the publications. We have the zip file stored next to it and the link to Etsy. Of course, it's going to be in draft at first, so let's go over to Etsy and check those out. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page, and I'm over in the drafts folder. You can see all 24 of them, and here they are ready to go. So if I open one of these up, let's just go edit. You can see the other mockup is also here. Looks great. Scroll down, got the title, the description, the tags, of course the pricing and the quantity, and then that README file that the customer receives when they purchase your product. And that contains a download link to the zip that contains all the products. And just like that, we published 24 digital products to Etsy with high quality mockups. Did it in bulk using MyDesigns, converted it to all these file types. This would normally take you multiple hours to do, but now with MyDesigns you can do it very quickly. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, let me know if you found this video valuable. If you did, I will continue to make more. But that's it for this one. I will see you in the next video.